Japanese scientists have identified a special fasting switch that supports healthy weight loss and promotes total body rejuvenation. Studies reveal intermittent fasting as the most efficient weight loss method, but many find it difficult to go extended periods without eating. When food intake ceases, your body is signaled to burn fat reserves and eliminate old, malfunctioning cells for a youth-boosting effect. This natural regeneration process not only promotes weight loss, but also helps you appear younger by renewing every cell in your body. Fast Lean Pro was developed to harness these effects by activating the body's natural fasting mechanisms without dietary restrictions. It is a unique formula containing 6 powerful natural ingredients designed to mimic the benefits of fasting and support healthy weight. Inside Fast Lean Pro, you'll discover only 100% natural ingredients, each clinically proven to contribute to effective weight loss. Key components such as niacin are included to maintain high energy levels and support optimal fat metabolism throughout the day. Vitamin B12 in the formula aids with skin renewal and calorie burning, enriching your wellness and overall vitality. Chromium, an essential mineral, plays a critical role in insulin balance and supports the body's essential autophagy process. Fibersol 2 is added for full body rejuvenation, helping to improve gut health by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria. Sucre accelerates calorie burning and provides vital support for liver health, promoting a balanced metabolism. The biogenic polyamine complex assists with the breakdown of fat and encourages continuous cell renewal for lasting results. Fast Lean Pro can be easily mixed into water, tea, or coffee, and its tasteless formula makes it simple to include in daily routines. Lab testing found that adding Fast Lean Pro to tea or coffee can accelerate autophagy and enhance cellular energy renewal. Every order comes with free shipping, and purchasing 6 jars qualifies buyers for 3 valuable bonuses at no extra charge. Bonuses include guides for hair regeneration, body rejuvenation, and cellulite detox, each designed to complement your wellness journey. Fast Lean Pro is manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under strict standards, ensuring safety and ingredient purity. A 180-day money-back guarantee protects every purchase, demonstrating great confidence in Fast Lean Pro's transformative potential. With thousands of positive reviews and real-life success stories, Fast Lean Pro offers an innovative path to healthy, sustainable weight loss.